Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a simple DIY makeover on a pair of cane chairs. I picked these up on Facebook Marketplace and they've been sitting out in the elements for quite a while now. So it's time to give this old outdoor furniture new life with a little bit of paint and lots of love. Let's get started. So I had two ideas in mind for these chairs. I'm going to first clean it up the best that I can. If it's in good enough shape that I can restore it to its original finish, then I would. If not, I plan on painting it. As you can see, it's not only filthy, but there are lots of stains. Let's get it cleaned up. After several rounds of cleaning, I decided it was best to paint. I was able to remove the dust and the grime, but the stains were still very much visible. I'm using General Finishes milk paint in the color Millstone and my Wagner Flexio sprayer. The next day, I tape off the trim on the arms and the front and added some black. These are a few hand towels I picked up at Hobby Lobby last year. I got them on sale for less than $3 each. My daughter did her magic and made these into seat back cushions. Then on a quick trip to Home Goods, I was able to score these neutral colored seat cushions. Remember these chairs before? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. My patio is getting a much needed makeover and I'd likely be using these chairs. So you don't want to miss seeing it all come together. See you next week for another fun makeover. Bye.